Make someone want you badly. Literally make them obsess over you, want you, need you, crave you, and desire to be with you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. So, high flyers, you have the ability to get someone to make them literally think about you, be obsessed with you, want to be closer to you, have a deeper relationship with you. You have that power. It's within you. So before I can show you how to release that power, how to get them obsessed with you, how to get them wanting you and craving you, it's important that you ignore the 3D, that you ignore the outside world. And one of the ways you're going to do that is by suspending your disbelief. When you walk into a movie theater and the lights go down and the movie begins, and all of a sudden Iron Man is flying through the sky, or Spider-Man is throwing spider webs all over the place, you suspend your disbelief. During the time of the movie, you believe that Spider-Man can throw spider webs and that Iron Man can fly. You believe it because you've suspended your disbelief. You're going to do the same thing with your 3D reality. Understand this, that what is going on right now in the 3D, in the outer world, what's going on right now is the result of all your past thoughts, all your past beliefs. And so that's what you've created. Yes, you are creator. But the good news is, high flyers, if you created a breakup, you can create a reconciliation. So every time a limiting belief or a doubt enters your mind, or a negative thought, simply say these words to yourself. Cancel that thought. What you're doing is you're telling your mind, you're telling your subconscious to cancel that thought, because you don't want the universe acting on that negative thought anymore. So maybe you're thinking about them with a third party. Cancel that thought. Maybe they're ghosting you. Cancel that thought. Maybe the two of you have had an argument and you wonder if they even like you anymore. Cancel that thought. If you can make it a habit, and I've used that line with my mind for many, many, many years now. Cancel that thought. If you can make it a habit, you can start canceling out negative thoughts immediately. So once you cancel that thought, what do you replace it with? I know my specific person wants me. I know my specific person is obsessed with me. I know I am the one and the only one for them. Now you're coming from a state of absolute knowingness. Instead of wondering and hoping and wishing, you are in a state of absolute certainty. You need to believe that you are always on their mind. You need to be absolutely certain that they are obsessed with you. You see, what you're doing is creating a new inner reality. And as the ancient teachings tell us, as above, so below, as within, so without. In other words, the new reality that you create within must manifest in the outside world. Now, this secret technique works like magic, and it's easy to do, and you can do it every single day. In past experiences, when I've used this, I prefer to do it in the evening before I actually step into bed. This technique works on the principles of vibration, but while it is metaphysical, It's also based on science. I simply call it the ball of attraction. So join me right now by simply rubbing your hands together. Rub them together until you feel them warm. And then pull them apart. You should feel a little bit of energy. If you don't, just know it's there. But you can feel the energy. Pull them apart and notice how I am now bending my fingers to form the ball of attraction, the ball of love. I stretch the energy. And I can feel the energy in between my hands. But think of this energy like clear water. I need to tincture it now with intention. So I whisper into it. You feel absolutely obsessed with me. You desire to call me, to see me, to be with me. You enjoy our time together. You're thinking about me all the time. Our attraction for each other is growing stronger and stronger. And then I end with these three words. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Now the ball has a different feel to it. I've tinctured it like putting a tea bag in some hot water. I've changed its nature. Now shut your eyes. See them standing before you and send it directly to their third eye. See the ball of energy covering their head, and then descending down and covering their entire body. They've literally received your intention, but they're going to act on it as if it's their intention. Because, according to Neville Goddard, remember, they are you pushed out. And then put your finger here, left finger, forefinger, seal the energy so the energy doesn't come back, stays with them, and you are done. You have made them absolutely obsessed with you, wanting you, craving you, needing you. Now, use this with caution. This is not meant to control others. It's meant to bring someone who deep down has had feelings for you, to reignite those feelings, to reignite that passion and that desire, and draw them closer to you. Now, I want to remind you, claim your 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Claim it by visiting us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. We've helped people in 60 different countries. We can help you too. lawofattractionsolutions.com. And now the next video is perfect just for you.